yogic tips for COVID-19. Keep 8 to 12 neem leaves in your mouth for an hour. Take a marble-sized ball of turmeric on an empty stomach. Soak gooseberry pieces in honey overnight with black peppercorn. Have 3 spoons thrice a day. Drink a little Nilavembu Kashayam, a Siddha health drink. Make the yogic practices Simha Kriya and Sashtang a part of your day. They take only 8 to 10 minutes. Wear a mask even at home and maintain social distancing at all times.